If you're looking for a reliable and professional cleaning company for your home or business, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top cleaning service around, and we're committed to having satisfied customers and handling all of your cleaning needs. Our services are tailored to fit your needs. Whether you're looking for deep cleaning, weekly cleaning, or even restoration, we are here to help. We offer residential as well as commercial services. Contact us today. We look forward to hearing from you.